This Kohree 50-amp generator cord kit delivers reliable full house or RV power transfer with a long 50-foot reach and solid connectors that feel secure when plugged in. The heavy-gauge copper conductors and thick protective jacket handle high load demands confidently while resisting heat, abrasion, and everyday outdoor abuse. Its matching power inlet box comes pre-drilled on all sides with ample interior space, making it much easier to mount and wire cleanly during installation. Weather-resistant construction, including a flame-retardant sheath and molded ends, helps the cord stand up to rain and harsh conditions during storm season or camping trips. The twist-lock design and indicator light on the inlet box add an extra layer of safety by keeping the connection firmly in place and clearly showing when power is present. A bundled organizer and clear layout of components make storage, deployment, and general use straightforward, even for homeowners who only run a generator occasionally.